Alright, viewers and subscribers, my name is Dancehall, Skilla. Me there again. Yeah, big up and respect to each and every one. Alright, tell me if I'm wrong or if I'm right. But according to some things that I saw in that video, it seems as if the driver for the bus shown in that video that I just presented to you overtake a certain line of traffic, and police saw what happened and decided to make the driver reverse the motor vehicle back to a certain part of that line of traffic shown in the video that I just presented to you. See? Yeah, that's what I think. You see me I say. And the reason why I said those things is because I saw a similar situation like that with my own two eyes in front of my face some time ago. You see me I say? So let me know what you think about that video that I just presented to you. And I have more videos that I'm going to present to you, my viewers and subscribers. You see it? Yeah, in this video I'm presenting to you videos that are being talked about on social media. And you can also let me know what you think about these videos. Alright? Now the next video that I'm going to present to you, this video is going to show inside of a bathroom. And according to some things that a person said in this video, I got the understanding that the video shows inside of a water-free bathroom. And I'm only going by some things that the person said in the video, no viewers and subscribers. You see? Some of the things that I saw and heard in the video really and truly have me thinking. You see me? Because when it comes down to using a bathroom, I think it is highly necessary to have water in that bathroom to wash your hands after you use the toilet and for other purposes, even if the bathroom is a public bathroom. But anyways, I would like to hear what you, my viewers and subscribers, think about this video. See? And please bear in mind that this video also shows inside of a toilet bowl. So viewer discretion is advised. Here's the video. Take a look, listen, and observe with me.
So I'm at Mystic Mountain, and this is the first water-free, I can't say bathroom, so I'll say laboratory I've been to. There is a counter, of course, with a mirror, but there is no sink or basin to wash your hand. It is water-free. They have hand sanitizers on the walls, right? And the toilet has no handle, nothing to flush. It looks like this. I'm gonna open it, and it's like a big hole. There's no water, nothing to see. And on the toilet door, you have this. You are using a recycling toilet by Clever's Multrum. This toilet uses no water or chemicals. Waste is being composited in the equipment below this building. Do not throw cigarettes, plastics, bottles, or cans into this recycling toilet. Thank you for helping us preserve the environment. No smoking. So this is a water-free, modern style pit latrine. Normally, this reminds me of the toilet where they use a country. It's modern, and here it states, thank you for conserving water and recycling valuable nutrients by using this Clever's Multrum compositing toilet, and please don't throw litter into the compositor. So, modern style, water-free toilet. Okay, there is no basin, no sink to wash your hands.
Well, my people, when it comes down to recycling, I am all for it. You see me I say, yeah, I respect recycling. Maybe I'm stuck in my old time ways or so forth, but I like having water to wash my hands after I use toilets. You see me I say to my people, you see? I wonder if that toilet bowl give off any smell, because that look like it's a drop thing. You know, like it's a drop thing. It looks so to me, you see? At least hand sanitizer is in the bathroom, people, as I say. But in my point of view, and you can tell me if I'm wrong or if I'm right, but I don't think I would allow children under a certain age to use that toilet bowl, you know, because I fear that a child or children might fall in that toilet bowl. You know, it look like a one drop thing, people. You know, it look like it's like it just drop. That it look like to me. But you can tell me if you think I'm wrong, you can tell me if you think I'm right, but that's my point of view, is it? Anyways, let me know what you think about the video, and I'm going to move on to another video. Now the next video I'm going to present to you, this video is going to show two persons riding on a motorcycle. And I got the understanding that this video is getting a buzz on social media because of how those two persons was riding that motorcycle. Whether you're the driver of the motorcycle or a pillion, wear protective gears when you're going to ride a motorcycle. You see it? Yeah, wear a helmet, not a hat. Cause drop hat. You see it? Anyways, let me know what I think about this video. Observe.
Rasta here, Rasta man, love to blood. What is this? What the?
Fire Rasta!
You see it? Not really a long video, viewers and subscribers. You see? Not really a long video. Yeah, that short video is getting a buzz on social media, as well as my people. But on a real still, you know, some comments that I saw on social media about that video, I would not repeat them. Anyways, let me know what you think about the video that I just presented to you, viewers and subscribers. You see me? Yeah, I'm going to move on to another video. Now, the next video that I'm going to present to you, this video is going to show a female. In the video, the female said some things that gave me the understanding that she talked about some persons who are said to be Jamaicans criticizing Rihanna in negative ways. You see? And that's just my point of view, viewers and subscribers. I'm not sure how to explain all the things that the female said in the video, but I want you to take a look at this video and tell me what you think about the things that the female said. You can tell me if you agree or if you disagree with the things that she said, alright? Here's the video. Take a look, listen and observe with me.
We never see Rihanna try bring down Jamaican in a no way. And me see uno Jamaican people bring down the girl because I just what she wear. She could have wear something better than that. So uno chat uno can't dare for buy Riri dress right now. Uno can't dare for buy Riri dress right now. And so uno sit down and bring down the woman because Barbados make our national era and look how much things uno need to come out and come talk about. Uno come out and come talk about it because Jamaican people only honor dead people. Dead people Jamaican Anna. Dead people Jamaica say a hero. Jamaican people only wait until they're dead. As a matter of fact, the government only wait until they're dead before they announce. Now, Jamaican people run back at them and agree with them all the while. Listen. And look how now deal with Rihanna. How she could have wear something better. Or ever she go, uno love judge people too much. Uno love discriminate people too much. Every time a people sex, them life, uno just stigmatize people. Uno just get up and bring down on own kind of way. That's why uno can't better off. No found we are talking about Rihanna dress and our this and our that. Hungry a kill no. Rihanna dress right now can buy no much house and car and land. Uno did they talk about the woman dress. Nobody support reggae music like Rihanna for sure. How no stay. Uno not happy for people. Uno could have simple just write congratulations. Uno gone for our dress. Uno gone for our this. Uno no know nothing about the woman and not talk about. What should do for deserve national era title? What Andrew do for deserve prime minister? Uno make him there. People like me and uno make him prime minister and say uno do. Uno say all of them outside and up and down now because nomination is going on. Election is out there. Uno is a set of lunatic.
My people, you see me believe in this thing where them say if you don't have nothing good for say, better you don't say nothing at all. You see me I say, and a real, Rihanna work for what she have, you know. Yeah man, she work for what she have, but you see the thing is now, viewers and subscribers, you see the more you become famous and popular, you realize that no matter how good you be, you're gonna have some people, not all, some people who will criticize you in a negative way. That's the understanding that I got over the years of being on social media and seeing certain things that happen to celebrities. You see me I say, including myself. You see it? A lot of times me they right here, so I might not tell no certain things what I go on, but viewers and subscribers, you wouldn't believe certain things where I go on when it comes down to Dancehall skilla, certain text messages, certain fake things will happen, but stronger than enough things. That's what I say. You see? More than more to go into that. The point is though, still, so I say, I'm happy for Rihanna's accomplishments. You see me? The things that this female said, you know, majority of the things that she said makes sense. You understand? And in my point of view, I think that she's somewhat upset according to how she's talking. I cannot tell if she's upset because I don't have her feelings, but you know, she really and truly put her opinions out there. You see me, I say, and for real, Rihanna work for what she have. You see me? I respect that. So big up Rihanna, big up to the female shown in the video that I just presented to you. Viewers and subscribers, let me know what you think about the things that the female said. You see me, I say, and for all who don't know, Barbados is now republic. You see? Yeah, they removed the queen from the head of them state or what you want to call it. So Barbados is a republic. You understand? Yeah, so Rihanna attended a, what I call it, an event for the purpose of that whole thing where it is said that Barbados become republic. So I say, yeah, so, you know, let me know what you think about those videos that I presented to you in this video. Until next time, if you're new to my channel, do not be afraid to click the subscribe button. I'm name Dancehall Skilla. Wanna big up on yourself. You see it?
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla! Yeah, man, hey, yo, Skilla! You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.